Hello guys, my name is Manmohan Saraswat and today we are doing the CSCS problem set third problem that is repetition. So in this problem हमको क्या दिया रखा है कि हमारे पास एक DNA सीक्वेंस है और हमारे पास जो स्ट्रिंग होगी उसमें कैरेक्टर्स होंगे, उसमें चार टाइप के होंगे जैसे A, C, G एंड T। तो हमारा टास्क क्या है कि हमको एक लॉन्गेस्ट रिपीटिशन फाइंड आउट करना है सीक्वेंस में और जो लेंथ होनी चाहिए उसकी मैक्सिमम होनी चाहिए और जो उसकी एक रूल ये है कि उसमें केवल एक ही टाइप का कैरेक्टर होना चाहिए जो लॉन्गेस्ट रिपीटिशन होगा। सो हमको जो एग्जांपल दिया रखा है अपन उसको एनालाइज करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन दिस एग्जांपल we start with A. So what is the longest repetition of A? That is 1. Because A is not coming afterwards. After then there is T that is come two times. So the longest repetition is 2. After then C, then its value is 1. After then G, its value is 3. After then A, its value is 1. So the longest repetition is 3. So our answer is 3. So let's back to the code. So first of all, we have to take input of the string. So s is equal to input. After then, we have to initialize the answer with 0 because we have to find the longest repetition. So that is why we are initializing with 0. Then answer is equal to 0. After then, we will initialize the temp variable because we have four type of values A, C, G, and T. After then, we have to find all these repetitions. So for storing that values, we are using the temp variable. After then, we will use the for loop to iterate the string. After then, we will check that the previous value of the ith index of S is equal to the ith index of S. If these values are equal, then we will increment the temp variable. If it is not, then we will update the answer. After then, we will reinitialize the temp with 1. So after in output, we will print the maximum of answer and temp. Okay, so let us check is our code doing good or not. Okay, so the answer is 3. Now let us submit. That is in. Okay, so our answer is giving the wrong. So why it is that? Because we had initialized with temp with 0. So in this problem we have to initialize temp with 1. Uh, because in the starting we are starting with one value. We are not starting with 0. So we have to reconsider it that the first value has the longest repetition of 1. After then it will give the right answer. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for watching this video.